What's going on, YouTube? I'm back again with another video. Before we get into this video, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Comment any videos that you want to see in the future, any topics, any questions that you might have. All right, so getting into this video, I'm going to talk about the support and the resistance and how I use it in my day-to-day trading. And so just a brief explanation of what the support and the resistance is. Basically, the support is just when the price of the stock goes down to a certain price level and it doesn't go past that price level, it bounces off of that price level or consolidates on that price level. And the same goes to resistance, that it reaches a certain point and resists that price level. And so it bounces up and down or consolidates on that price level, resisting that price level. And so I'm gonna go into some stocks that I look at on a day-to-day basis now, especially with the COVID, and show you the different support and the resistance and how I use it in my day-to-day trading. So take a look. Okay, so here is an example of a stock that I've been trading, which is the Norwegian Cruise Line. I've been trading these cruise lines just for the simple fact during COVID, they have been the ones that I found some success with. I usually follow the Dow Jones Index, which is just an index full of stocks of the big company stocks. And so I use the Dow Jones to see what direction the Dow Jones is moving, and usually the cruise lines follow that same direction. So here's an example of the support and resistance. I'm using a 4-hour, 6-month chart for the simple fact that I will the market is not open. I can't use the 2-minute, 5-minute charts like I usually do, 2-day, 5-minute charts like I usually do. So going into this, the resistance, as you can see on the 4-hour, 6 months, is around 18. $18. And so I will usually draw this this resistance before pre-market, and the support where it bounces is around $9. And so by using this support and this resistance, I know, okay, if it's shooting up or spiking up, it's hitting the resistance right here. And I know that if it goes past this resistance, that I can expect a breakout or for it to shoot all the way up even more. As you can see right here, it went past this resistance over here and it shot up. And so if it doesn't go past the resistance and I start seeing a downward trend, as you see here, I know that, hey, I can possibly short, and I can manage my risk because I know where the support is. I know where it's hitting it and rejecting and creating that support price level. And so with using this is the bare basic minimum of what I use when I trade. I use the bare minimum, the simple. I don't use all those technical analysis or anything. I use this. I see where it rises. Okay, I know I can sell once it gets closer to the resistance. And then once it starts falling back or downward trending, I know I can short it. And I know when to buy back in to cover my short. And so this is very simple. Let's look at another one. Let's look at the airlines. Airlines spiked up huge on Friday, but let's look at the 4-hour. Okay, so you see the resistance is right there around the 903 again, the $9. And the support, I would say, is right there around 1265, just to hit this support as well. So it broke down below the resistance and hit the support around the $9 range. And now I know if it doesn't go past the support, that, hey, and it starts showing some signs of an upward trend, then to buy in and see. And as you see, it hits that resistance and rejects again. And so that would be a good time to sell, somewhere around the $12 or $12.20 range. And then it rejects it, gets closer to the support. It doesn't really hit the support, but it gives you a nice price level to know, hey, this is the time to sell if I'm shorting, or this is the time to go in and buy if I want to go in long, as you see right here. And when it did that big spike, and like I said, explained on the Norwegian, this is the American Airlines. As I explained on the Norwegian, once it breaks past the resistance, expect that big breakout, that big spike. And so now this resistance is now the new support. And the new resistance will be where the spike hit. So this is just a basic, simple strategy that I use on all of my stocks when I'm trading, when I'm day trading. It's simple. I don't use all those technical analysis or anything like that. I use basic support and resistance and the volume. And I watch the volume and the buyers. Just go with the price action, basically. So you guys saw two examples of two stocks that I really do trade doing day trading, and I've been trading these last couple of weeks. But those are the simple techniques that I use when I trade. When I day trade, I just use the support and resistance and volume. I go with the price action and everything that the stock may show at the time. So during this week, I will videotape or I record 2 live trades that I'm gonna do throughout the week, and I will post those probably Wednesday or throughout the week. So look forward to those videos, and I hope that the support and the resistance, I explained it well enough that you all can use it in your own day-to-day day trading as well. So that is it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment any videos that you might want to see or any topics that you might want to talk about. That is all I have. Bye.